So welcome to another Chris show. So good that it needs to be stated twice. If you appreciate the content that I deliver on a consistent basis, please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for all my videos. You like and participate in the comment section. As we all know, it's holiday time now. The news starts to slow down. We all start to spend more time with our family. Unfortunately, because of coronavirus, a lot of people are having to spend it alone. They're not traveling. They're not going around. But this kind of brings me to what I wanted to talk about today. And I know it's been talked about, it's been going around, it's been rumored that the vaccine was going to be delivered before the election day. I knew that it was false and it was Trump trying to push his bullshit propaganda to make it seem like he had it under control and the election should be his. But either way, the vaccine is starting to get more real, starting to get more concrete. Basically, we have 100 million doses. And if you don't know, we have over 340 million Americans. So obviously, 100 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine isn't going to be enough to get to every American in the first round, and that's why some are saying the second dose is just not going to be able to come until June. But before we get into that, let me just break down about the Pfizer vaccine and how effective it is. So apparently you're going to get 2 shots in a 3-week span, and after the first shot is at 82% effectiveness, and then 3 weeks later you get the second shot, then it's up to 95% effectiveness. That's their plan to eventually get it to every American. That's why some are saying maybe by September of next year. Some are saying we may not go back to normal until 2022. You know, some things are obviously going to open up. Some things will go back to normal, but we won't be able to go back to normal until, you know, around that time frame. And unfortunately, because Donald Trump is stupid, it doesn't know what best for America. When he had a chance to secure at least 100 million more of the doses, he did not go by that in June. So a lot of us are going to have to wait until June 2021 in order to get the vaccine, and some of us may not even get it then. It might be the third quarter of September. Either way, when this pandemic is gonna end, it's really up in the air. Even after some people get the vaccine, there's gonna be quite a few people quarantining because, as we know, not everyone's gonna get the vaccine. And this is what I really wanted to make my video about. I saw a poll talking about, do we trust the vaccine? In particular, I'm black, and if you don't know about black history, there's been a lot of doctors that have experimented on black people in the past. We were their guinea pigs, or they did this and did that to the other. So a lot of black people have a reason to be cautious of vaccines or not to trust it. And then I saw a poll that stated only 14% of black people trust the vaccine. And I was just like, I can see why. I understand what they're going through. We've been screwed so much in the past. It's like, do we really want to trust the government? The same government that hasn't given us money since March, and they want us to be able to spend on Christmas. It's just hard to keep trusting someone that keeps fucking you over time and time again. So that's why I wanted to ask you guys, how do you feel about the vaccine? Are you one of the people that's going to be gung-ho? The minute I can take that vaccine, I want to go out and get it. I want to be free. I'm sick of this bullshit staying at home. Are you one of the people you're a little bit weary? You're like, yeah, I'll take it when the time comes, but I want to see how other people react to it or do it? Or are you that person that's like, man, fuck the vaccine. I'll quit my job if I have to. I will stop going to concerts. Or are you somewhere in the middle between all those three? Now, as you know, with me personally, I'm that second one. While I know the vaccine is important, I know people need to get it. I want to see other people get it. Y'all can be the guinea pigs, see if you get reactions. There's been 4 people in the UK that's gotten cerebral palsy. Does it stay forever? No, but there are side effects coming, and that makes me a little leery. It makes me a little weary. Do I really want to take it right away? Like I said, obviously eventually I'm going to take it because we don't want to be living in 2023 or 2024. Coronavirus is still killing people every day and stuff, but I just don't want to be the first people to try it, because who knows what the side effects are? Who knows if you're going to be that person in 5 years? Were you a person that took this vaccine at this time and this time? Well, you are liable for illegal action, and I don't want to be one of those people, because those commercials, they always have these lists of what they've gone through or what they're going through, and it'd be nasty and ugly. Now, I'm not comparing that to the vaccine. I'm just giving an example of how things can transpire down the road. So I would love to hear what you guys have to say. And also, how upset are you guys about the fact that we only got 100 million doses when we could have gotten 200 million doses? Basically, a lot of our lives have been put on hold for a year. Now it might be a year and a half, or it might be a year and a half and 9 months. Who knows how long it's been, but people are suffering. People are about to be evicted from their homes if they don't pass this bill. We have Mitch McConnell being the devil, still being stuck in his ways, not trying to pass any bipartisan bills. So my main thing about this video, because like you said, I'm usually a news channel reporting news, this is kind of like a checkup, you know what I mean? How is everyone doing? How are you feeling? Like, how is this Congress not passing anything? How is that affecting you? How is the vaccine? Has your job told you you're gonna be one of the first people to get it? Do you think you're not gonna be one of the first people to get it? I'm just trying to read the room on how people truly feel about the vaccine, because like I said, me personally, I'm in the middle. I've seen a lot of people that are like, fuck no, I ain't taking the vaccine. I've seen some people that are like, the day it comes out, man, I want to get that. I want to be safe. So that's why I just want to see how everyone's feeling. But as you know of Chris, I'm going to give you the news whenever the news is there, whether that's today, tomorrow, a week or two from now. That's why you need to make sure you subscribe. You have notification bell turned on for all my videos. You like and participate in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, share this video with your friends. This is Chris. I'm out. This motherfucker.